Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix MoneyGram login problems. Verification errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official MoneyGram app or the correct website address to avoid fake login pages. Close the app completely or close the browser tab. Then reopen it to refresh the session. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then try logging in again. Turn off any VPN or proxy, because MoneyGram may block verification when your location looks unusual. Make sure your phone date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can break verification codes. Update the MoneyGram app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. If you use a browser, update the browser to the latest version and restart it. Clear the app cache on Android from Settings, Apps, MoneyGram, Storage, then clear cache. On iPhone, uninstall the MoneyGram app and reinstall it to clear temporary data safely. If you use a browser, clear cookies and cache, then reopen the site and try again. Try logging in using a different browser, like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. Double-check your email address and password for typos, and make sure caps lock is not on. Use the Forgot Password option and create a new strong password, then sign in with the new one. If you see a verification code error, request a new code and wait for the full-time limit before requesting again. Check your SMS inbox and email inbox, including spam or junk folders, for the verification message. Make sure your phone can receive SMS by sending a test message to yourself or another number. Disable SMS filtering apps and check that MoneyGram is not blocked in your messages settings. Confirm your MoneyGram profile phone number and email are correct, then update them if you have access. If the code arrives late, enter only the newest code, because older codes usually expire immediately. Avoid copying extra spaces when pasting codes, and type the code manually if paste fails. If you get repeated failures, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes to prevent temporary security lockouts. Try signing in from a different device to rule out device-specific issues. If you are on a work or public network, switch to a private network because security firewalls can block verification. Check MoneyGram service status or scheduled maintenance messages inside the app or on their support pages. If your account is flagged for security, prepare a valid ID and any requested documents for identity verification. Contact MoneyGram support through the official help or contact section and describe the exact error message you see. When you contact support, include your country, device model, app version, and the time the error happens for faster help. After it is fixed, enable trusted device settings if available, and keep your recovery email and phone number updated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.